figured out an amazing way to figure out the arterial blood gases. It's foolproof. You cannot mess this up. You don't have to think about it. So when you get your test, this is the first thing you do is write this on the back of the test, and you'll be ready. All right, first of all, you write your normal values. So you have pH, normal values, 7.35 to 7.45. Here's the key. When you get to CO2, write them backwards. So you're going to write 45 to 35 instead of 35 to 45. I'll show you why. And then you have your bicarbs. And those are 21 through 28. Okay, so if you write it like this, underneath you can write a little continuum down here, and in the middle is 7.4. These are acids, these are bases. Okay, and that's why you have to switch the CO2, because this is basic, this is acidic, and this is basic. So, after you've got your normal values, you make a table with 3 columns, and then you just keep going down here. So you have your acids on this side, your normals here, and your bases here. Okay? So for an example, here's 3 values. Okay, so we'll start with 7.25, 55, and 24. All right, first of all, your pH is on the acidic side, so you put pH under acid. Then you go to 55, and you see, remember that 55 is going to be that way instead of that way. It's going to be that way, so that's acidic. So your PCO2 is on the acid side. Your bicarb is 24, and it's normal. So, anyway, you know what I mean, CO3. So this tells us that we have, since the pH is high and CO2 is under acid, that we know that CO2 equals respiratory. So we have respiratory acidosis. So the ones that are in the same column, those are your answers. So whichever one's in the same column with the pH, that's your answer. We'll do another one. Okay, so the next one, 725, 40, and 18. So our pH is acidic again. The CO2 of 40 is in the normal range. Your HCO3, your bicarbs are 18, and that's going to be on the acidic range. And bicarbs are metabolic, so you have metabolic acidosis. I'll do one more. Yeah, metabolic acidosis. All right. Now the compensation ones, not that we think that it's going to be on there, but this is a great tool for you to know. We'll do 7.5, 32, and 17. So 7.5 is going to be on the base side. That's your pH. Your carbon dioxide is 32. It's going to be on the basic side because we switched these. So CO2. And your HCO3 is going to be on the acid side. So you'll put it there. So, you know when you have two, so first of all we know that we have respiratory alkalosis because these two are in the same column. But when your other variable is not in the normal column, then you know that there's compensation because it has moved from normal. And that tells you that this is with compensation.